have to go wash my clothes, and this is what I'm wearing because I took way too long before going. So now I look like a... Actually, I'd probably wear this out in public, if I'm honest. I have to fill this up with soap, then I'm gonna go wash my clothes. We can talk once I'm over there because this is gonna take forever. What's up? I don't. I went door knocking the other day with my friend AJ. Essentially, you knock on people's doors. They're not expecting you and most likely don't want you there. But you do it because you have to. You know, sometimes you just have to do the work to hustle to just get to where you want to be next in life. Most people are nice in the door. They're like, what's up? Like, you're on my property, but what's up? Like, I'll hear you out. There was one guy, heads up, if you have a no soliciting sign, that just means that less people knock on your door, which means it's more likely that you'll answer the door. We've actually gotten most of our jobs from no soliciting signs. But we had this one guy who opens the door and says, is my sign broken? He gives us this attitude. He gave us a lot of attitude. You know, people have their problems. Like, it was just really rude. And it made it sour because it was one of the first 4 people we knocked on doors. 2 of them were mean to us. What happened yesterday, I saw him at In-N-Out, and hold up, play the video. So these views are completely my own, have nothing to do with In-N-Out. They don't support me in this, they know I'm saying this. This company is its own and I'm speaking on my behalf. I saw him at In-N-Out and I was like, dude, you were the jerk. You were the guy that was mean to us. I still did my best to give him the best service he could possibly have. Because my dad and mom have always told me this. They've said that a good judge of character is someone who treats people who can bring no benefit to their life and treats them well. So yeah, I tried to do the best I could to be nice to him. I was over the top nice because I want to make sure I didn't bias under nice him. But yeah, man, that happened. It was hard. What's up?
I have time for that.
I don't. I just sleep. I mean, I just don't sleep.
Yeah, okay.